All right, I'm really hungry. So I'm going to go get a steak because we've decided to barbecue at home. We're going to run over to Makro. I'm going to buy a steak and any other little tiny thing we need for doing a barbecue at home.
Before, you feel you lose?
Yeah, a little bit. Today I wore the shirt to work. I would always have to stretch it out a little bit in the belly area. Today, no stretch.
Good job. You fine?
I don't know, man. Like at home, I know everything. At here, I feel like I don't know anything. 95 for a 300 gram, grain fed, 240 day diced dairy beef. I have no idea if that's what I want. Rump steak. Maybe I should get rump steak. This one on sale. Oh my god, that's all fat. I can't eat that. It's brisket. Yeah. I don't know what the hell finger rib is. How about on sale cheap ass?
Buy and cannot eat. 40 baht.
No.
Yeah. 40 baht.
What's this? You just put in? Like, it's today's date, but it's like 50% off. I think I may buy something and try it. It's good, right? It's top. This one's chuck roll. I can look at some other ones. I feel like they were waiting for this guy to do that. How did they know?
So many people waiting for on sale. On beef. You say beef or you say cow?
Beef. Actually, we call all of this in America, we call steak. Chicken breast, chicken wing, chicken leg, whatever. We would say chicken breast, not chicken steak. No one would say that. When we say steak, we mean this. Every time I say let's go eat steak and you want to go get chicken, and make me go what? What? So last time we bought this one. This is ribeye. 3 huge. When I cooked it, it was all nice, good, tender meat. It was so delicious. Frozen ribeye. Let's see if I can find the price. 405 baht.
For 1 kilo. This one we have to go do.
Oh, have to weigh. Sirloin. Strip loin. Let's get out here. We got, did you show what we got? We got some cheap steaks that'll probably be on the toilet for 7 days. That's okay. We got some black pepper and some mushroom and some onion. All right, we're gonna barbecue outside. What are you gonna eat?
I will eat steak chicken.
Chicken steak.
And
Okay.
some house steak.
Some what?
House steak.
All right. We started the fire in the plastic bag and all. And I think I'm gonna cook all the steaks. I have no idea if you can pre-cook a steak and then freeze it. I don't think I've ever tried to buy fresh, cook it, freeze it, reheat it. We'll see what happens. That's hard. Okay, one, put some salt and some pepper, because that's all I'm gonna have. And they're gonna eat, I'm eating the steak, and Juan wants to try some steak. Really, they don't eat a lot of steak in Thailand, so.
Because we poor.
What? Steak, beef, whatever.
No, because I'm poor, I cannot buy.
Oh, people don't eat beef because of Buddha. Juan told her father, I'm eating all that steak tonight for dinner.
แกบอกว่าแกจะกินให้หมดวันนี้
He don't care. He say nothing.
Him just do. When I talk with him, I have to scream because him is deaf.
Is what?
Deaf.
Duff.
Deaf.
What is duff?
Something.
Deaf.
Deaf.
You were close.
หัวมันหนา
They got some onions. They got some mushrooms. I'm kind of missing grilled onions right now. Juan's doing a good job. The father's working hard. He started this barbecue. He's tending to it. Juan's watching the steaks. And I'm holding the camera. Genius. Okay,
เอามาอัน
my
หนึง
steaks are done, man. I want a nice medium steak. And we're going to pull my steaks off. I'm so freaking hungry. Oh, man. Steak is done. It's delicious. It's nice and juicy. I've cut it so you can see it's nice and pink and perfect in the center. It was really a good buy. I'm glad I bought this. I'll be doing more of that in the future. And I even had one piece left over for lunch tomorrow.